Take it with your fingers.
Just grab it with your fingers, Mick.
I got this. There, okay. We made it. Take my ice away. You know I'm a sweet girl. Everybody now, so you just sit and hold your mama's clothes.